Hello everyone, it's me Kevin. I'm back with another video to talk about the Internet of Things and how it's affecting my favorite country, Vietnam. This is a really cool and interesting topic to kind of discuss and talk about because it's something that I've seen back when I went to go visit the country a couple years ago in high school. So basically what the Internet of Things kind of is how they kind of use data, systems, and other stuff like that that help kind of improve businesses, kind of help improve like the connectivity between everything, the interconnectedness of everything, and helps like with data and basically improving the customer's overall experience in general. This has been really cool to see because this is stuff that they've been doing for quite um, a while. Like if I went to Vietnam 4 years ago and they were kind of using technology in restaurants and stuff like that to kind of make it a little bit easier for everyone. That way, like you could just order. So the example I'm kind of talking about is when I went to a sushi restaurant and you kind of just order the sushi you wanted and it comes out on a conveyor belt, which is pretty cool. But to see a country like that use that technology that is kind of like on par with neighboring countries and stuff like that, or it's kind of something that you would see here in America, is pretty cool to see. So this is a growing industry. In 2019, it was a 2022 million dollar market, and it's set to improve by 7,021.23 million by the end of 2025, according to the article that I read. Um, in terms of how it's going to be used to help with the sustainable goals of the United Nations, I was kind of using some of the examples that I kind of talked about um, in the last assignment, where this information and data can help improve the overall quality of life of its citizens in general in Vietnam. As it is a growing market, it's also a very like lucrative market. It's like a very like profitable market. They're already investing basically in helping to train or giving access to people with disabilities and stuff like that. And this is just a nice way to kind of improve like issues with gender, issues with like disabilities, issues with like getting as Vietnam continues to grow and kind of is using technology to integrate into like society and like the customer experience. I'm hoping that they will use that data to help bring um, electricity, power, internet to some of the areas that really need it in like the countryside. Kind of like the places where, like, say for example, where my grandma lives, like they have access to internet, but it's not great. And that is kind of like a way that it would help the goals of the UK as like the country in general continues to invest in technology and the Internet of Things as the market continues to grow. Okay, so my two truths and a lie are the first one is going to be that the market, the Internet of Things market for Vietnam, um, so that was a $1,023 million industry in 20. It was like an $1,000 million, $1,000, $1,000 million industry. My second one is that a lot of the areas. Let's see here. The second one is going to be some restaurants are using the Internet of Things as an example to help improve customer experience. The third one is going to be that the um, that it's going to help improve um, access with for people with disabilities, or helps with collecting data on areas that need improvement. So this is going to be something that will help them. I hope you guys learned something today.